Let me cook, okay?
Why is it crippled, bro?
No, it's not crippled, okay? It's the new niche, okay?
Roger, is KSP free?
No.
If you pirate it.
How much is it?
Yeah, you should try pirating. It's not easy to pirate.
Yep.
Div.
Yep.
It's kind of expensive. If you
It's
don't-
$40 if you pay it normally.
Yeah.
What did you pay, Roger?
Yeah, I did.
40 bucks.
Probably on sale. Yeah,
Yeah.
you got it during sale.
Nah, I didn't.
Why?
Why?
Because it's like one of my favorite games ever.
Yeah,
But, like, you didn't know that before
literally
you bought
best
it.
in that game.
No, I didn't know that it was on. No, I had it before. I had it
wait,
before I got my computer.
Wait, 75% off. Should I buy it?
No, pirate it.
No, we're not pirating.
Wait, why don't you want to pirate it?
Oh, finally.
But if you want to like actually do like,
Guys,
interesting
I
things,
beat Black Blizzard. Oh my god.
Black Blizzard.
Finally, dude.
Like if you want to do actually interesting things.
Alright, guys, say something before I end the clip. Say something before I end the clip.
There's a bit of a learning.
Say something. Say something.
I'm about to bust.
Okay, really.